Okay. Who can come to the board? Then, write your answer. Convert percent to decimals. Yes, ready? Okay, next. Another one. Another one. You can come to the board. Yes, this is. Okay. Zero point four. Okay, later on. Next. Another hand. Who can answer? 79.5%. Denise. Okay. Next. How about 150%? Kim Jun. Okay, later on, we will check your work. How about 6%? 6%. Ma'am? 6%? Amadia? Alina? Okay. Another hand? How about 57%? Kissy? 57%. Okay. Next. How about 50%? Nicole. Okay, how about 95%? Yes? Okay, how about 15%? Terence? Okay, now, let's go back to your work. How about this one? Ma'am. Yes, Denise? Is it 0.40? Ma'am. Bukan? Yes, this is? Yes. Okay. Why is it 0.04? Okay. What you're going to do? This one. What you're going to do the percent. You change the percent into decimal point. So, how many move that you're going to do? There are two. What direction? Going to the left or going to the right? Left. Left. So, you change this one into decimal point. So, you move 1, 2. So, this one is the decimal point. You add here as 0. And here also is 0. So, your answer is 0.04. How about another number? 6%. 6% is the same to 4%. So, what is supposed to be your answer?
0.06.
Okay, very good. 0.06. Okay, do you now understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so you change, if you're going to convert percent to decimal, you change only the sign percent to decimal point, then move it to the left direction. How many move that you're going to do? Two direction. Two movements. Okay, now, by the way, class, I have a question. If you are listening well to your teacher, what is or what are the positive do you receive when you are listening to your teacher? Anybody? Okay, you have your idea. If you are listening well to the teacher, what are the positive or what are the good things that you receive when you are listening well to your teachers? Anybody? Rodi? If you are listening well, you don't. Dines? Huh? If you are listening well, you can? Yes? Kim Jun? You can? Learn. Very good. Now, I will present to you this one. So, let us find out, according to Rudy, if you're listening well to your teacher, you can learn. Okay. This is now a story, a problem story, right? Okay, everybody read it first.
Jake is a grade 6 pupil in the Blackland Elementary School. In class, he is very attentive and listens carefully to the teacher. During the class discussion of the lesson, his teacher gave 5 items test. His grade is 80%. Jake wondering how many correct answers he got.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jake is a grade 6 pupil in El Yakar Elementary School. In class, he is very attentive and listens carefully to the teacher. During the class discussion of the lesson, his teacher gave 5-item test. His grade is 80%. Jake wondering how many correct answers he got. Okay? Now, who is listening well to the teacher?
Jake.
Yes? Is it? Jake. Now, okay, here is a question. So, according to parents, Jake is listening well to teachers. How many items was their test? Yes? Huh? Stand up, Jake. Say your answer. 5 items. Very good. Now, what was his grade in the test? 80%. Okay. If you were Jake, will you also be listening intently to your teacher? Yes. Why? Yes? You said yes. Why? Jeremy, if you were listening to your teacher, you said yes. So what was the grade of Jake? 80%. Okay, if you were Jake, will you also be listening intently to the teacher? According to you, yes. Then what is your answer while ago? Your answer is to learn. Yes, to grade than J?
Yes.
Yes. In what way?
For not listening to teacher.
Aside from listening to teacher, what else?
Study.
Study. Very good. You study. Now, why do you think that you can get a higher grade than J? According to you, you are going to study. Very good. You are going to study. Okay, now class, I will present to you this one. This is the Teaching triangle to find the percentage. Am I right? Okay. Now, this is the Teaching triangle. Okay. Let us find out on this triangle, what are those content? Okay, number one in the upper part is what?
Number of
Correct answer. How about this side?
Percentage of
Percentage of his grade. How about this side? Okay. What the number of test item in this problem is 5. Very good. Is it 5? Okay. Is it 5? Right? Now, the percentage of his grade. 80%. Okay. Now, let us find out. In the upper part is the number of correct answer. Who can come to the board and answer this problem? Aside from Rudy, another hand. Yes, Rudy? You go there side. Write your answer on the board. How did you get that answer? Okay, what is your answer, Rudy?
4.
How did you get your 4, Rudy? What is this, Rudy? This is 80%. How about this one? Okay, what is the solution or your ways to use this to get your? Is it the proportion? Okay, Rudy using the proportion to get here his answer. Now, the Teaching triangle here, when we are look at it, so this is the short method way to solve this problem. Now, let us find out. I will give you another activity. Okay. Okay, I will choose this one, group 1, group 2, group 2, and group 3. Okay. I will give you the Teaching triangle. Okay, you do it by group, then you post your answer. Okay, representative for the group 2, group 1, pick 1. Okay. Okay, this one. for this teacher triangle is to shorten. Am I right? Rudy, while ago, answering the ways in using the proportion. But proportion is a long term. In a teacher triangle, you will use only to find the percentage. And this part, in this right, is what we call the rate. Then you are going to multiply the base. So, if that is equal to P is means percentage. Okay, do you understand? Now, by using this one, you are only to multiply. Am I right? If you're using the proportion, it is a long way method. Am I right? Oh, it takes time to answer if you're using the proportion method. But they are still the same in answer. But the teacher triangle is a short method to find the percentage. Do you understand me? Okay. Now you will use, this is now what we call the formula. Am I right? To find the percentage, we will use this formula. This is a short method to find the percentage. Okay, now, I will give you another activity. As you can observe from my demo, there is a lack of ICT equipment due to its unavailability, but this hindrance did not stop me. So I made do from the available materials. Also, as you can observe, my students had a different ways or approach in answering the questions. So I give as an example. So they shows that students vary in learning strategies and therefore to cater to all of them. So I introduce a new way to solve the problem. Also during the group work, I let the student to do freely what they can and only assess if their needs. So hopefully through this, I can improve my teaching and become